Yo, what's up everyone? It's your name, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of Microsoft PowerPoint, but not just the basic stuff. We're talking about taking your presentations to the next level with animations. And that's right, we're going to transform those static slides into dynamic, engaging visuals, whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who wants to impress their audience. Mastering animations is a game changer. So buckle up, because we're about to unlock the full potential of PowerPoint. Let's dive right in. All right, let's start with the basics, adding animations to objects. First up, select the object you want to animate. This could be text, an image, a chart, literally anything on your slide. Once you've got it, head over to the Animations tab. This is your animation hub, your one-stop shop for all things movement. Now, browse through the gallery of animation effects and choose one that vibes with your presentation. You've got entrances, exits, emphasis effects, the whole shebang. Click on an effect to apply it to your selected object. See, that was easy, right? But we're not stopping there. We're going to fine-tune these animations to perfection. Now, to really get those animations dialed in, we need to access the animation pane. This handy little pane gives you granular control over every aspect of your animation. You can adjust the timing, the duration, even the direction of the effect. Want that text to fly in from the left? Done. Want it to fade in slowly over 5 seconds? You got it. The animation pane is your playground to experiment and get those animations looking exactly how you envisioned them. But wait, there's more. You can even combine multiple animations on a single object for some truly eye-catching effects. So you've got one animation down, but let's get wild. Select your object again, head back to the Animation tab and choose another effect. Now, your object has two animations, but how do they play? That's where the timing options come in. You can have them play at the same time, one after the other, or even have one trigger the next. This is how you create those smooth, professional-looking transitions that keep your audience hooked. But what if you want even more control? Like you want an animation to start only when you click a certain button. That's where triggers come in. Animation triggers, they're like the secret sauce to taking your presentations from good to wow. With triggers, you decide exactly when an animation starts. You can trigger an animation with a click, a mouse over, or even have it play after another animation finishes. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for interactive and engaging presentations. Now let's move beyond individual slides and talk about transitions. Transitions are how you move from one slide to the next, and they play a huge role in the overall flow of your presentation. To add transitions, head over to, you guessed it, the Transitions tab. You'll find a similar gallery of effects here, from subtle fades to more dramatic wipes. Choose an effect that complements your animations and apply it to all your slides for a consistent look and feel. But before you unleash your masterpiece on the world, let's preview everything. PowerPoint lets you preview your animations in two ways. You can either preview individual animations on a slide or run a full slideshow preview. This is crucial for fine-tuning those timings, making sure your transitions are smooth and ensuring your animations are actually enhancing your message, not distracting from it. Speaking of which, let's talk best practices. Best practices, don't overdo it. Animations are awesome, but too much of a good thing can be, well, overwhelming. Remember, the goal is to enhance your message, not distract from it. So keep your animations consistent throughout your presentation. Don't use a million different effects. Stick to a select few that work well together. Most importantly, use animations purposefully. Don't just animate something for the sake of it. Animate it because it adds value, emphasizes a key point, or helps tell your story in a more engaging way. And that's how you can effectively use animations in your PowerPoint presentations. Remember, the key is to enhance your message, not distract from it. Practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment, try different combinations, and find what works best for you. With a little creativity and the right techniques, you can transform your presentations from ordinary to extraordinary. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more presentation tips and tricks. Until next time!